This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the plant and gathering what you need. Use clean scissors and collect mature leaves in the morning. This preserves active compounds and flavor. Once done, trim only a few inches per stem so the plant stays healthy and regrows quickly. Make sure to sort damaged leaves out and keep harvest shaded while you move to preparation. Quick handling reduces oxidation, which matters because fresher material yields a cleaner, more consistent result when you make your infusion or extract. You next convert the fresh plant into a usable infusion. Bring water to 80 to 90 degrees Celsius. Pouring just off boil protects delicate compounds. Add measured leaves and cover to steep for 10 to 15 minutes so flavors and beneficial constituents extract evenly. After steeping, strain and let cool to drinking temperature. You can add lemon or a touch of honey for taste. Once cooled, refrigerate if not consumed immediately and label with date. This prevents degradation and keeps you finish by dosing carefully and watching how you respond. Begin with a single small serving and note changes over the next 1 to 2 days. This helps you find a tolerable routine. Make sure to avoid mixing with strong stimulants or sedatives so interactions stay minimal. If you experience discomfort, stop immediately and rinse your mouth, then rest and hydrate. One key troubleshooting tip: if potency seems weak, check harvest timing and steeping temperature before increasing dose. Often prep, not plant quality, is the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.